Hi everyone, this is Winnie and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share something very special. So it was my birthday last month and my sister had sent some beautiful roses for that. But what normally happens when we get flowers is however hard we try to protect them, to preserve them, they tend to dry out and then we have to get rid of them. Now, because I didn't wanted to throw these flowers away, so I decided to preserve them so that I can keep them with me forever or at least as long as I can. So for this I have decided to frame these flowers in a photo frame, and that photo frame I've made out of cardboard. I think that is the cheapest and the easiest material we all have in our homes. And I'm so excited because I'm trying this for the first time and I'm just fingers crossed to see how it turns out. So when I got these flowers, these beautiful roses, I immediately to frame these flowers. So for this I have used 2 sheets of cardboard to give it a little strength, and I have cut it into the size of a photo frame. You can take any size you want. Then stick them both together. Decorate the frame. I am using air dry clay, so I have taken a big chunk of clay for this. So whenever you work with air dry clay, you first need to smoothen it out properly to remove any cracks or any rough surfaces. Now once the clay is fine and smooth, I made a thin roll of it and then cut small pieces of equal size from it. Then I rolled it into some tiny balls. Now to make the borders, I have rolled the clay very thin and then pasted it on all 4 sides. I have used a chart paper to cover the cardboard. You can use any paper of your choice and then start placing the balls over the paper. Finish off the look, I am using the back side of a paint brush to give a little groove effect on the borders. Frame is almost complete, but you can keep it like this also, but I wanted to give this a little rustic or an antique kind of a finish. So for this I am giving this a coat of black color. Then once the black color dries out completely, give a coat of golden color. This gives that copperish antique look. Give the frame support. I've cut these strips of cardboard and I've used 4 of each size to give that strength, and then I stick them all together to give that back support to the frame so that I can keep this frame on my desk or on my table. It will take some time to dry out, and once it is dry, then place it on back side of the frame. later I dabbed some golden color on the frame because I thought that green color was looking too bright. Once the golden color dried out, I also dabbed some pink color for that antique look. See, the flowers have dried out completely. The stem has started changing its color. It has become brown. Let's frame these flowers on the frame. So for this, first I've removed all the leaves from the stem. I place the flowers on the frame to see how it looks, how I like the results, and then once I'm satisfied with the results, then I'll start sticking them all in place. And I'm using normal stationery glue to stick these flowers. Place the leaves to make it look more natural, more beautiful. You can put the leaves in any pattern you want, and believe me, they will look beautiful. Lastly, I've added a cute little bow. And also added some white dots all over. The final result, and I'm so happy with the results because this is exactly how I wanted it to look like, and I would highly suggest you to give it a try once whenever you get flowers. Don't throw them away, just keep them with you forever. And if you like the video, if you like the idea, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.